What's up, y'all? So I deleted the first footage because I didn't like how it was looking and how it was sounding in that footage. So I just deleted it. But in the footage, I'm gonna tell y'all what I was talking about. So I was basically just talking about my weekend. So this weekend, normal washing Saturday, and we were supposed to go on a car ride Saturday, but we didn't because the kids had fell asleep, so we didn't want to wake the kids up. But we just, chilled in the house, was watching YouTube and watching movies and stuff like that. Sunday, what happened Sunday? Oh, was that Saturday that happened? So this is actually Sunday. So Sunday, our ceiling was leaking water, y'all. So our ceiling was leaking water. Oh, was that Saturday? No, this was Saturday this happened. Because I'm like confused. I'm confused myself. So Saturday, normal wash it in the morning. And when he came back, the ceiling was leaking water. So I called the leasing office and stuff like that. And it's because the upstairs tenant hasn't been having his shower liner in the tub. And that's why water is getting on the floor and stuff like that. But I'm like, it was leaking water. Like, I got footage of, and I'm gonna show y'all, like, my ceiling has cracks in it and it has like these bubbles, and I believe when it has bubbles in the wall that is water damage, and stuff like that. So I talked to them. They basically were saying it's no reason for a maintenance man to come out. For one, because they got to see if it's non-essential or not. Two, they were saying that I would have to pay a fee if a maintenance techs come out. And then three, they've talked to the tenant upstairs multiple times about this water and them taking showers and stuff like that. So they said Monday that they're supposed to come and clean it. That's why I did clean up, and y'all go see that too, me cleaning up a little bit. I cleaned up the bathroom because they're gonna be in the bathroom. I don't know when they're coming, but I believe that they're gonna have to go upstairs first to see what's going on. Because I'm like, have you looked at the damages or seen how bad it is? And the man honestly couldn't tell me because he doesn't even work on this campus. So I talked to a maintenance man that did not work on this campus. He just comes here time to time. So I was really irritated. Yesterday, which was Sunday, we did go grocery shopping and just get some more stuff like tissue and stuff like that. So we went to Myers, got some stuff at Myers, had to get like soap and toothpaste, and I went to Kroger and I actually found some tissue there and paper towel. So we did a little grocery shopping there. We went to Joe's Produce, and it's really like they sell seafood there, meat. It's like a grocery store, but they didn't have no king crab. They ran out of they sold out of king crab. I called up there, I think Saturday, they didn't have it. So we went up there Sunday thinking that they was gonna have some. They didn't have none. So they said they're gonna have some tomorrow. So I'm gonna go up there and get some king crab tomorrow. Who you spin up? So I'm trying to think what else happened. I was supposed to go get some jars in the city, and it wasn't that far. We was like on 7 Mile, so it wasn't that far from where she was located at, but she wasn't opening her kitchen till 3 o'clock, and I'm like, that's too late and stuff like that. So I had bought like some sweets at Kroger. I bought some Ben & Jerry strawberry cheesecake ice cream. I bought some Magnums. not the condoms, the ice cream. And when I tell you that ice cream is so good, my mom put me hip to that. But y'all, like I said, I don't know if they're gonna come today. I just cleaned up because the house did need to be, cleaned up. I vacuumed, as y'all saw, and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna eat soon because I feel like I need to eat. So I'll show y'all what I'm about to eat. But I'm probably not going to touch the camera again till Norm gets home and stuff like that. And probably show y'all like what we go do after that. So we'll see y'all later. Say bye. Guys, so I'm back. I just got done cleaning the bathroom and I didn't really want to record that because I didn't really record the bathroom. But look at baby Norm. Say hi. He's smiling. So y'all, I am about to make the bed up, so y'all go see that. I'm gonna put Noah on some clothes, like I said, because I don't know if they're coming in or not. So I'm just gonna set y'all up, probably up here, to show y'all. Yeah. So I'm gonna set y'all up here to show y'all like me. This probably gonna be. as you guys saw, I cleaned up the living room and stuff. But I just got Noah dressed, changed, and stuff like that. Also, your girl did her hair, y'all. So I feel a little bit better that I did my hair, but this is how it's looking. I just slicked it back, honestly. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna eat. Still not really hungry, but yeah, but I cleaned our room up. I made the bed. I made baby Norm bed, put up our clothes and stuff like that. So we're just chilling in the living room and stuff like that. Like I said, I don't know if the maintenance people are going to be here, y'all, but let me show y'all. This is the ceiling. At the top, you see that water, you see the line, you see the crack, and I'm gonna try to zoom in best as possible. Oh, that's the farthest it can go. But you see the cracking all the way to here. And this is where, hold on, y'all. This is where it's real bad at. You see, that's like literally a crack. And then over here, you see the bubbling, indicating water. All right there. Let me zoom out. You see that? All the way down there. Then here you go, the bucket of water. The floor was all wet. But you see the line. And I'm gonna step out the bathroom from that so you can see the whole thing. And you see, that looks like a outline of a tub. This quarantine got me just eating and eating and eating. I'm some Cheetos with some melted chicken. My husband be eating this. It is so good, y'all. So good. So I'm just up here watching Murray. And yeah. So I'm up here watching the Murray show. She has a giant secret. Baby Norm drinking his bottle. Noah, we just playing. Yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a few. But